In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Google Drive folder to another folder. Let's get started by opening Google Drive and heading to My Drive. This is your main hub where all your personal folders and files live. If you're already signed in, you'll land here automatically. If not, sign in and then click into My Drive to view your content. Next, find the folder you want to move. Scroll through your list, or if you have a lot of items, use the search bar at the top to quickly pull it up by name. Once you see the folder, hover over it so the quick actions appear. On the right side of that folder's row, click the three vertical dots to open the action menu. This menu is where Google Drive keeps common actions like share, rename, and organize. We'll use it to start the move. In the menu, look for the option labeled Organize. Depending on your interface, you may see a move icon or the word move directly under Organize. Go ahead and click Move. This opens the Move window, which is designed to make picking a new home for your folder fast and clear. In the Move window, you'll see multiple options, including Suggested, Starred, and All Locations. Suggested shows places Drive thinks you'll want based on recent activity. Starred shows locations you've marked as favorites for quick access. All Locations lets you browse through your entire Drive structure. For a quick move, choose from the Suggested section if you spot the destination you want. Click the folder that matches your preferred location. If you need to drill down into a subfolder, click to open it until you're at the exact destination where you want this folder to live. When you're in the right place, click Move to confirm. If Drive asks you to confirm again, click Move one more time. This second prompt can appear when you're moving content into a different area or a location with specific settings, and it simply ensures you're making the change intentionally. To verify the move, navigate into the destination folder you chose and look for your folder there. It should appear immediately. If the folder is shared, permissions typically stay the same after moving, and collaborators will still have access. Keep in mind you need the proper access to move items, especially if they're in shared spaces. That's it. You've successfully moved a Google Drive folder into another folder using the built-in Organize and Move options for a clean, well-structured drive.